Hello my friends, if you are watching this video on my YouTube channel, Passive Income Lifestyle, this is now my brand new YouTube channel. So please, if you are in my team, subscribe to this channel. If you have family members or friends, or you are growing your team already in Kubic, please share this YouTube link with them. Let them subscribe back to my channel, okay, on this Passive Income Lifestyle channel. So that being said, let's dive right into the announcement today. In Kubic with me, there is a pay update today, and I guess we are going to get paid today on the 16th or on the 17th. So because of the difference in time, right, Hong Kong time and European time, which is UK time, because I'm based in UK, right, is plus 8 hours. So we are going to be working with that time for the time being, right? But let me quickly read out what they've got for us today, okay? So this is the update that they left. This is the simplified version of the update, okay? So Kubic wanted to pay everyone a whole month's reward payment, but there was so much data to deal with from the 15th of May till date. They have now resolved to pay 7 days rewards each day till they finish 1 month reward payments. This is going to happen from 12 midnight Hong Kong time today, and 12 midnight Hong Kong time tomorrow, and 12 midnight Hong Kong time the next day until 1 month payment is exhausted. After the 1 month payment is completed, Kubic will resume normal weekly payouts. Then we'll be expecting exciting updates regarding cloud storage, automation, etc., etc. So this is the simplified form of the latest update regarding withdrawal today. Okay, now this is the update, the actual update that they dropped in Kubic official Telegram channel. For those of you that are following me, okay, and those of you that are already in my team, I have already given you guys the link to join this official Telegram channel of Kubic. You will get first-hand information there, guys, instead of you waiting for your upline to give you information. My recommendation is try as much as you can to get in touch with your upline and get the link for the official Telegram channel of Kubic. Now, this is the update. They said, dear Kubic users, to support our system upgrade and operational improvements, Kubic will adjust its withdrawal and deposit network and concurrently initiate the user reward distribution plan. Please read the following details carefully. Okay? Number 1, withdrawal mechanism update. Unified to BEP20. Effective date is June 17th, 2025. Okay, and it's going to start 12 midnight on the 17th. As you can see from here, it is plus 8 GMT for those of you that are in the GMT time zone. Okay, and then they said all withdrawals will only be processed via BEP20 network. So guys, just be ready with your BEP20 network USDT. Okay, that is what you need to get ready with your USDT BEP20 deposit address. You need to get that ready for our payment happening today, okay, or maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow is 17th. Okay, so fee details, they are now explaining what they are going to charge for the withdrawal. They said there will be a fixed 2 USDT gas fee, okay, per withdrawal. So this gas fee is per withdrawal, just so you know. So if you have multiple accounts, it means each withdrawal you're going to make in each account, they will charge it 2 USDT for gas fees. Okay, and then they gave example below. They said if you are wanting to withdraw 10 USDT, you will receive 8 USDT because they will deduct 2 USDT from your $10. Okay, now they said the arrival time is plus 2 working days, excluding weekends and public holidays. Okay, so that is number one. Number two, deposit network adjustment. They said starting from June 17th, which is the same day that we are going to be receiving our withdrawal, BEP20 deposit channel will be enabled. What does that mean? It means they will no longer be using USDT TRC20 for deposit. Okay, then they said from July 1st, TRC20 deposit services will be fully discontinued. So please, if you are listening to me and if you are watching this video, remember not to deposit with USDT TRC20 after the 1st of July. Number three, reward distribution schedule. Special rewards for users who registered before June 15th, 2025. For every completed week of registration, one reward unit will be given. And then they gave the schedule here, the estimated distribution schedule. Okay, so if you have registered before May 4th, the distribution will be on the 17th. If you have registered before May 11th, the distribution will be on the 18th. If you have registered before May 18th, the distribution will be on June 19th. If you have registered before May 25th, distribution will happen June 20th. If you have registered before June 1st, the distribution will start June 21st. If you have registered before June 15th, the distribution will start June 22nd. Okay, and then a little reminder there to say rewards will be automatically distributed by the system based on your registration date. No manual application needed. Please wait patiently for processing. Thank you for your continued support and trust. So this is the detailed information directly from Kubic Telegram channel. So if you want to listen to this bit again, right, rewind to this bit and then listen to what I have read, because it is important that you understand this information that Kubic is giving out to everybody. So there is a further information that was posted after this one. Okay, so this is the information that was posted after the other one that I read out to you. So they said, thank you for your continued trust and support in our platform. Please read the important announcement regarding upcoming bonus distribution. So they said, withdrawal processing time will be +2 business days. As this is the first batch of bonus distribution, the company is committed to ensuring user fund security and complying with regulatory requirements. Additional system and manual reviews will be conducted. Therefore, withdrawal requests are expected to be processed within 2 business days. We appreciate your patience. So if you make a withdrawal today, your withdrawal will be processed within 2 business working days. Then they gave a reason for this. They said KYC, which is Know Your Customer Identity Verification. For those of you that don't know the meaning of KYC, the meaning of KYC is Know Your Customer. Okay, so they said the verification process is not fully optimized. They said some accounts are still pending verification or incomplete. To ensure fairness and safety for all users, additional validation is necessary. Number 2, enhance risk control and compliance checks. Given the large volume of this distribution, the company must ensure that every fund transfer complies with regulations and internal risk control policies. Number 3, system security audit with multi-layered review. To prevent abnormal activities or malicious withdrawals, all requests will undergo both automated and manual cross-checking procedures. We understand your eagerness for quick withdrawals, but this approach is necessary to protect the long-term interests of all users and the platform's stable operations. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer service team. We are always here to assist you. Thank you for your understanding and support. Sincerely, CuBig team. So this information was also given today. All right. So guys, just keep doing what you are doing. If we are going to get paid today, the money will appear around your reward tab. Okay, so log in into your account, click on your reward tab. The money should be here. Your total assets should be around here, or your balance or whatever. The money is supposed to be here today, okay, or tomorrow. Remember, the notice or the information said today or tomorrow at 12 o'clock midnight Hong Kong time. So I have completed my task today, as you can see, right? I've scored all my points. I have done all my tasks, all my interaction tasks. I have done all of them. And if you want to check Hong Kong time, 12 o'clock midnight, when they say they are going to pay, this is the time that we are looking at. Just go to Google, just type Hong Kong time. Okay, the way I typed it here, just go to Google, type Hong Kong time. It will give you the current time in Hong Kong, and that will now allow you to gauge around the time they say they are going to make this payment, 12 midnight Hong Kong time today. So guys, thank you very much. For those of you that are still looking to join Kubic with me, the link to join is below this video description. We only have to do just few tasks on a daily basis, and that will allow us to earn this free money. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much for staying on until this time, watching this video, listening to the latest information regarding the payday today. Please remember to share this YouTube channel link with your friends and family so that they will resubscribe to my channel and get all the latest updates. So I look forward to seeing you guys in my team, and I look forward to receiving that pay today or tomorrow. Thank you guys. God bless.